Yep. So, now that you have your whole system here, this, I did a little bit of cable management, but it is all its own one separate unit, meaning that this can clearly slot right into the smart case. Now, you will need to take this and the screen at the same time and make sure that you have your 4 wires, positive and negative for the LEDs, your micro USB, and your HDMI cable. Take this, slot this in here. It will take a little finagling, but once it's in, the beauty of it is that it's in. That is part 1. Part 2 is getting the screen in. Make sure that before putting the screen in, you route all your cables through the little cable hole and put the screen in. Now, all that needs to be done, tighten down all your screws, tighten down the screws for the screen, and then you're good to go. This extra slack here that you see here, after screwing the screen on, you can tuck all of this up in here where it can't be seen. The last thing to the smart case is this diffuser. These LEDs tend to be quite annoying when they're shining right at you, so this is a diffuser. This helps dampen the light a little bit. Now, these 3 screw holes up here for the screen, you utilize them as well for the diffuser. And this will pop on just like this after screwing it in. That's it.